Hi everyone, welcome to Belinda's DIYs. So in this video, I wanted to share with you this solar powered fountain pump. I ordered this on Amazon. I had been wanting to create some sort of a water fountain outside in my garden, but I didn't want to have to run the cords and all that. But I found this one and it's solar powered, and let me tell you, it is a wonder little gadget. It comes with several attachments and each one sprays out the water differently. This was so easy to put together. I just put the nozzle there in the middle of my solar panel and then I attached the sprayer. And that was it. Now I was ready to go put it in some water. I needed some sort of tub, but I decided to go ahead and get a flower pot. This one right here. I really liked the style and it was only $12 at Dollar General, but I loved that it had a little stand. So I put it together there at the store because I really wanted to make sure this is what I wanted, and I just loved how it looked. So I brought it home with me. Once I got home, I put my flower pot where I wanted my water fountain to be, and then I filled it up with some water. If you're interested in this pump, I'll go ahead and link it down below. When I first dropped in my fountain pump, it didn't really spring up so much water, but after a few minutes, it really started to spring some water up. And would you look at that? I was so amazed and impressed with this little water pump. I love to sit out in my front porch and just listen to the waterfall. It's just so relaxing. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this water pump, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. Will you have yourself a blessed day, and I will see you on my next video. So bye-bye and God bless.